When I met my model for the first time in Montreal, I had no idea I'd end up partying with her until 3 I'm in the club. But before we get there, we need to start here. So she came in on the day. It was the first time I had met her, and she was my model for my transformation class in Montreal. And I was actually so excited to do her hair because she didn't want to go too blonde. She wanted to keep her existing warmth, but it all just like looked a little bit dirty, you know, like a little bit ratchet. So we're going to come through and do the full transformation technique. We're using a mix of the keratin and clay lightener and Tenvol, and we're actually just overlapping everything. So you can see that we're going through the roots in a particular formula, and then through the ends we've actually just done clay and Tenvol, so it's a little bit softer, and we're actually pulling out some of those really light bits just to make sure that we don't get any breakage, and then really saturating our section, because girls or boys, if you don't saturate properly, you're not going to get the right lift. By the end of this trip, this was my second last day, I was so exhausted. I hadn't slept properly in a week. The time change and jet